Yung iba naman naglalagay ng seawall, kung mga ganyan-ganyan. At the proper time, may we ask Senator Villanueva if DPWH can give a detailed description of those projects in Bicol in particular. Kasi nga sila yung apektado eh. Kasi baka naman completed pero puro dredging. Halimbawa, ay syempre babalik at babalik rin yun.
I'm glad that the distinguished sponsor recognized the somehow band-aid solutions that some politicians are trying to implement, and that's the reason why we are so dead serious in looking for the right solutions. In fact, Mr. President, every time we ask these questions, I'm glad that the good sponsor did not even make that answer kasi climate change. Kasi